Hi, this is the border that separates the United States from Mexico.
From above, you can see the differences between the two. One of these countries is richer than the other. The grass is even greener in the US. That's why many try to cross this super hot desert and find opportunity in the US. Some don't even make it.
But before you think Mexico has no opportunity, think again.
The immigrants that don't make it to the US, I saw them finding jobs in Mexico, where palm trees are planted by these Mexicans. According to them, it's better to build in Mexico. They have fresh water, cheap labor, and opportunity on this side of the border. This is their gold mine. I saw Americans moving into Mexico to start businesses, make money, have fun, and jump in pools right near the border. At the end of the day, the grass is greener on the other side, but according to them, maybe not for long.
Nice.